Lecture 4, Changing Tone and Detail Level. One of the best things about using AI is how quickly it can adjust to your style. Whether you want something professional, casual, short, detailed, persuasive, or super simple, DeepSeek R1 can do it. In this lecture, we will combine tone and detail level into a single prompt so you can shape exactly how R1 responds with just a few words. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to combine tone and length instructions in one smart prompt, guide R1 to match your audience and communication style, get more polished, customized results without trial and error. Why tone and detail level matter? Tone is the personality behind the response. It can be professional, friendly, serious, motivational, or persuasive. For example, an email to your professor and a caption for Instagram should sound very different. R1 can do both just by saying what you need. You can also choose how long or complex the answer should be. This is especially useful when preparing presentation content, titles, or study summaries. Example 1. Short, friendly, motivational. You can give it a prompt as write a short, confident paragraph convincing a student to apply for a scholarship they don't think they will get. So, press enter. Why it works? It blends tone, confident and encouraging, voice, motivational, and detail level, short paragraph. It's also highly relatable for students and demonstrates emotional tone shifting. This is perfect for social posts, emails, or presentation openers. Real world adjustments. Example 2, polished email prompt. So you can just click on new chat and give it a prompt as draft a formal 3-sentence email reminding Professor Lee about my pending recommendation letter. And you just press enter. Why this works? Formal sets a respectful tone. 3-sentence keeps it concise, and Professor Lee makes the message feel specific and personal. Example 3, simplified concept explanation. You can give it a prompt as you can just click on new chat and give it a prompt as explain blockchain like I am 12 in 2 sentences max, and just press enter. Why this works? Like I'm 12 forces the AI to simplify and drop the jargon, and the 2 sentences max limits the response to something scannable and usable in notes or slides. The more constraints you give, like age level, tone, and length, the more useful the answer becomes. Useful phrases for your prompts. These small additions give R1 the context it needs to deliver responses that work for your situation. For example, use a professional tone, keep it short and friendly, make it persuasive but polite, use simple, beginner friendly language. Sounds like a helpful peer.